Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Shrapnel. I'm a belly dance writer, teacher, performer and mentor, and I wanted to do a quick series of videos about my new book, Teaching Belly Dance, 52 Lesson Plans and How to Write 5,000 More. And I wanted to explain why there's more than 52 lesson plans in there. So basically I gave you 52 lesson plans so that you could teach a class for a year. Whether that be a mixed ability class, a beginner class, an intermediate advanced class, with some adaptations. But these lesson plans are basically going to start you off from January through to December with a class every week that's suitable for all that levels of students. But it actually turned into 68 lesson plans, I think, because I couldn't help but add some. So there are also 6 lesson plans for in case you are ill or injured, to adapt the classes so that you don't put any more stress on yourself. And there's also 10 lesson plans on how to teach a choreography. I know so many people love teaching choreographies, and a lot of teachers like to flip between. So to teach 10 weeks of technique and then 10 weeks of choreography. That means you get 2 years worth of choreographies, of lesson plans in here. So I broke down a fictional choreography and showed how I would teach it over 10 weeks. Lots of reinforcement, lots of covering the technique that's needed in the choreography. And so that's in there. So it almost doubles the amount of lesson plans there. So 52 lesson plans on how to teach 5,000 more, plus 6 for in case you're ill or injured, plus 10 if you want to teach choreography. Please check out my book and I will see you soon.